So about 17 years ago, I woke up and there was about a nickel size of my hair just gone. And there was just a bald spot in the middle of my head. No clue what happened. There was no hair in my brush. There was no hair on the bed. There was no clumps of hair in the shower. It was just gone. So about 17 years ago, I started trying to figure out how to get my hair to grow back. And over years, it's just gotten worse and worse and worse. So we've done everything from biopsies out of my head, steroid injections, steroid foam, creams, mousse. I've tried biotin pills, biotin shampoos, just about everything that I could possibly find, Keranique, Rogaine, everything that I could do to try to grow the hair back. About 2 years ago, I got really intentional about trying to find a solution. So I did about 3 different consultations around the Nashville, Tennessee area. And some of the only options that I was given was really to do maybe some kind of weaved in things or some stick-on hair, so to speak, to kind of just cover that spot up, but I would have to continue to do something every single quarter in order to keep it there. And was really excited to hear about the fact that they could transplant hair into that area, my own hair, that could then grow back. We were a little worried, and once we figured out that it wasn't necessarily hereditary as to why my hair was falling out or alopecia or anything else, like I wasn't pulling my hair out or anything like that, we tied it back to my autoimmune disorder, which is I have scleroderma, where my skin kind of scars itself. So I have kind of dark marks throughout my skin, and the doctors think that's what is causing the bald spot in my head. So we did test grafts in October of 2020, so as soon as we were able to kind of get back into the office after COVID, and then kind of monitored it month to month or every other month from there, and it has grown probably about 2 inches since October. So they took some grafts out of the back, planted about 10, and those are now about 2 inches in the back of my head.